Welcome, in front of me is OPPO A5m, and in this video I will show you what to do if your phone doesn't detect your SIM card. So first thing to do is check the mobile network, and if it doesn't appear, your SIM card doesn't appear right here, then maybe you should try to remove and reinstall the SIM card to ensure that it's properly inserted. So open your SIM card slot like this, remove it carefully, and then try placing your SIM card. Maybe change the slot for it. This is the proper position for the SIM card, like this, and you can change the position from the first one to the second, and try reinserting your SIM card again. Like this, carefully. Then check if your device started recognizing it. In my case it did, but in case this didn't help, then maybe you should try cleaning your SIM card with a soft cloth or maybe a dry towel. Let me do this real quick for you. So grab a piece of dry cloth and just carefully wipe the SIM card to ensure that all the contacts on it look good. Okay, then try reinserting it once again. Like this. Okay, carefully. And now let's check if the phone started recognizing it. Well, again, in my case it did, but if it still didn't help, then you should check for the software updates for your phone, because this might be the issue, that your hardware isn't in touch with the software. So go to the settings, select system and updates, software updates, and in software update check if your device has any updates to install. And if it does, take your time to download and install the updates. And as you can see, for me, my internet connection is unusable because I'm not connected to any internet right now. But generally speaking, yeah, if you have any updates to install, then make sure to install them, and then check if your device started recognizing your SIM card. And if it still didn't start, then go back to the system and update settings, select backup and reset, select reset phone, and select reset network and Bluetooth settings and confirm. Okay, and after that, check if your device started recognizing your SIM card. And if it didn't, then I also suggest, advise you to try to test this SIM card in another device, so insert it in another phone and confirm if it's functional. It's very important, because if it isn't, then respectfully it won't be available on your phone either. But generally speaking, that's all the advice I had to share with you. If none of them helped, then this might be a hardware problem and you should contact OPPO customer support service, or just head straight to the nearest repair center and let them take a look at your device. And I hope generally that this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.